In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for viruses and malware and remove them using Norton. Keeping your computer free from harmful threats is essential for ensuring your data's safety and maintaining optimal system performance. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. The first thing you need to do is open the Norton app. Norton is a powerful tool widely known for its efficient protection against viruses, malware, and other online threats. Make sure it's installed on your computer and that its virus definitions are up to date. It's crucial that Norton has the latest updates so it can detect even the most recent threats. Once you have the Norton app open, you should see several options to choose from. Next, look for the control panel within the Norton interface. The control panel acts as the command center of your Norton software, allowing you to manage and control various aspects of system protection. Clicking on this option will present you with several features, each designed to enhance your device's security. Once you're in the control panel, locate the Scans option. This feature is central to identifying potential threats on your computer. The Scans option typically provides you with several different scanning choices. From here, you will be able to initiate a variety of scans, depending on your specific needs. For a quick checkup of your system's health, click on Quick Scan. This type of scan examines the most vulnerable areas of your computer where threats are most commonly found. Although it doesn't take as long as a full system scan, it is a very effective way to quickly identify any immediate threats that might be lurking on your computer. During the scan, you'll be able to see what Norton is checking and if any issues are detected. After the quick scan completes, Norton will provide you with a summary of the results. If any viruses or malware have been detected, you'll need to follow Norton's prompts to remove these threats from your system. Norton usually offers straightforward options to either quarantine or delete the detected files. Quarantining can isolate harmful files so that they can't harm your system, whereas deleting them completely removes the threats. Be sure to carefully review these options before proceeding. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively use Norton to keep your computer safe from viruses and malware. Regular scans are a good practice to help maintain your computer's performance and protect your personal data from cyber threats. Remember, preventive care is always better than dealing with the consequences of a compromised system. Thank you for watching, and stay safe online.